Do you want to learn how to generate an AI model inside Kling AI's new virtual try-on feature? In this video, I'm going to help solve that problem. So first, head over to klingai.com, sign up, and then go to AI images. Inside this, select the second option, which is AI virtual try-on. Now under it, you'll find AI model and AI outfit. We're going to choose AI model, which is already selected. Under this, we have model settings, model custom. So you can switch between these two genders. So I'm going to select female. The age, it could be children, youth, or elderly. I'm going to keep it youth. For skin tone, you can select between these four skin tones. Now under this, we have prompt. I'm going to select one of these hints here, or you can refresh it and choose from these. Now under the prompt, we have settings. You can choose between these four aspect ratios. Let's go for 3 by 4. Generation count, let's just keep it 2. Is going to take in 10 credits out of your total balance. For generating one AI model, it will be 5 credits. Let's make it 2 and generate. Now here we have got these two AI models, and inside this you can download it by clicking on this button on the top, or down here we have AI outfit, which we are going to look at next. There's also upscale, which is not available inside our free plan. You need to upgrade to premium plan to use this feature. Now next to this we have expand. So this is free for now. You can expand it. For example, I can make it 3 by 2 and it's going to expand that part which is empty. There's also bring to life, which is basically going to put this inside the AI video generator and make it come to life. Let's click on this first one, which is AI outfit, and it's going to insert this inside our second option, which is AI outfit. Under it, in select a model, I have selected it, this one. Now below this, we have garment image. You can upload any image from the internet, a clothing that you want to try on this model, you can do that. Or there are some hints below it. You can choose between these as well. For example, I would try this out, or there's also multiple garments. So let's say, for example, I tried this for the top and this for the bottom. Now below this, we have number of outputs. It can be 1 and up to 4. To generate 1, it takes in 5 credits. Let's click on it and see what it generates. And there you go. This is the output. This was the AI model that we put these clothings on. And inside this, you can keep changing again and again and get outputs like these. For example, I tried out with the second image here in the AI model, second image. I put these garment images on it, and this was the result. And that's it. This is how to generate an AI model on Kling AI Virtual Try-On. Did this video help solve your problem? Let me know with a like and comment.